Now this is a 15-degree jig that is clamped to my drill press, and I'm drilling 15-degree holes, and to do that safely you have to clamp it down. I'll index it off of my layout lines on the jig, and it's all lined up. Hold it in place, and then I use the auto action clamps to hold it as I drill it, making sure that it stays clear of the bit and that this hasn't moved around. It's still lined up properly. I'm securing this end. And wow, man, doggone it. This is just the way it rolls. This clamp skated forward just too much. It needs to be back just a hair to give me clearance from that hole. When you're using Forstner bits, you definitely want to clamp things down. Okay, that needs to come over just a hair. A technical tap is all it takes. Yes, didn't want to, that's perfect, everything's lined up right, and I'll make the hole. 15-degree angle jig. Make it 1.5 inches deep, and now that will give me this. That will give me the legs raked out front and back at 15 degrees. Jigs, they make your world so much better.